What's your name, man?
Jacob, what's up?
So, we got a call that this trailer's been out here for like 3 days.
Yeah.
So we're just coming to inquire about it, and there is a black trailer here. They don't know, the complainant's going to be the surgery center here. They don't know who the trailer belongs to, what the deal is with the trailer. So that's why we're here.
Yeah, I run a food business, and this is just where I'm parking it because the storage unit that I tried to basically take it to, they didn't have any space that I could keep it at, so I'm just keeping it here until I can actually find a storage unit. Because apparently no place in Georgia, in Savannah, has space for storage right now. Especially when you're talking about vehicle space, and everybody has their shit parked there.
Alright, man. Did you okay it with them?
I thought this was a public hospital.
I mean, not really.
There's people who park their like random stuff here. Like there's a guy who literally drops his truck off every night in this lot and then picks it up every day. Like that truck right there. There's a man that literally drops his 18-wheeler truck off and then swaps it out every day. There's a lot of people who do this type of stuff. So I mean, the truck and the trailer.
No, I understand. So our, again, we're
What's
called.
their complaint though? I mean, is it taking up parking space?
They're just, no, they just had no idea. There's just
For
a
me
random.
to go there and ask them if I can park my trailer there, I already know they're not going to let some nigga park a trailer here. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's not happening. But just that fact, I mean, I'm actually getting a, the place that I'm keeping it at, they're talking to their manager today to see if I can just keep it there. So this is almost just going to be like another day. I'm not even keeping it here because I knew that somebody would complain about it. Like this car that always double parks next to the trailer when there's all these spaces. I'm just like, I don't understand why people randomly park next to my stuff.
Alright, man. Can I just get your information? Just your name?
Yeah, it's Jacob.
Last name?
Benjamin.
Benjamin?
Yeah. People are excessively over concerned with other people's business and stuff. Like this Caucasian lady that's down there with her trailer. Like, you know, nobody's gonna say shit to her. Nobody's gonna say shit to her.
I don't
She's
think they didn't know who was even in. It's.
But why does it matter? Who's being like? Who cares?
No,
How many cars are around here?
Brother, I'm just letting you know, like, it's not. We're just called here, and so like we're just gonna obviously investigate it because we have no idea. Like, this could have been an abandoned trailer. Like, we don't know. You know what I mean? People's.
I paid almost $20,000 for this trailer, and then on top of that, like the stuff that's in it. You know what I'm saying? It's almost just as valuable as their equipment. I do a whole different type of culinary, and I'm just like.
What do you do?
What do you mean?
What do you mean as far as different type of culinary?
I don't sell like you know, brisket and shit. Like I actually have like skill. You know, so.
What you cook?
Brother, I do nutritious food, so I'm saying like it correlates actually with them. It would actually help out their entire like system because they don't have nutrition inside of any of these places, and I understand that, and that's why I'm just trying to actually get my stuff moved out of here. Which something told me to actually come over here today because I felt like people were becoming nosy. Like this car that has parked here every day. Like I come back and forth. I've got a tracking system inside of it. I've seen people tamper with it. Like I came here today and somebody pulled my door open. That it wasn't open yesterday, and I know how this door is sealed, so I know somebody has to literally yank at it.
Yeah,
so I know somebody's been
What do you drive?
I have a truck. I have a truck the same size as that, so I'm just like.
So I just spoke to the maintenance, and they want it gone.
I'm sure they do. Like I said, it's always some coming up. And who is maintenance? You know what I'm saying? Like, does maintenance pay bills?
Well,
who is maintenance?
They're kind of like the manager of the property.
They're not, though. They don't own shit. Like, nobody owns shit.
You
That's the crazy thing. Who owns this parking lot?
They do.
Who?
The Optimal Orthopedics.
Who are they, though? I mean, who's their superior? That's not a business. That's actually a clinic, which is the public service.
Okay,
the same thing that police officers are with public service. Like, it's everything. I was in the military, so I understand. Like, these properties, nobody is really complaining about these properties.
So you can have a private contractor, like you can have private business within There's privatized medical facilities all over.
But they're not private. I know they're not because I got my surgery done at the same orthopedics that's here. I had a labrum surgery, so I know that this is not a private. This is not a private place. This is crazy, yo.
What I'm gonna tell you.
This is trying to stop my energy. I know that. I know what's going on. People are trying to stop my energy because I'm actually putting something in this community that they don't have. There's nobody who does the culinary that I do.
I'm not trying to stop you at all. Are you Bob?
Yes.
Oh, okay. So.
Who opened my trailer?
We checked it to see what was
Nah, see that right there. What is that? What is that? Is that vandalism or is that destruction of property?
It was like this. We just looked inside to see what was in it.
Dude, I'm telling you right now.
Vandalism is being on private property.
Why is he getting in front of me?
Listen,
Sir,
That's why.
Sir.
Get this dude, man. What the f?
I'm tired of this because I got to keep on taking care of it.
Nah, you don't gotta do. It's not. You see
do you
that?
have the means to? Do you have the means?
You
to,
see that, brother?
Yes.
How's he pressing charges? He doesn't own. He's not even a doctor.
Do you have?
He doesn't even have a degree.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? He doesn't even know about medical. What's he coming up to me about to fight me for?
Do you have the means to?
I can move this today.
Okay. Then let's get it going.
Just let me move it today.
Okay.
Man. You know, this dude's about to try to fight me over a food trailer, yo.
Nobody's trying to.
I'm 31 years old trying to get my business up. This dude's about 70.
But understand that you parked it.
No, I don't understand that because there's a guy that parks a semi truck there every night. I monitored this.
I don't know what to tell you. I've not seen that. I don't.
Everybody else sees it. They see this trailer and they know I'm about to do something with it. And like I said, this guy opened my trailer. Is that not
From
weird?
my understanding is.
I got over $50,000 of stuff in here. He opened my trailer,
Is any
man.
of it missing?
It doesn't matter though. That's crazy.
I mean, if it was like that,
No,
if it
no,
was
no,
like that,
it
I
was-
could understand opening and seeing what was going on with the trailer if it's on their property.
He doesn't own this
But if
place
you,
though.
it doesn't matter. That's the thing. Like, it doesn't matter if he owns it. He's.
I'm just curious as to
maintenance.
why he's so mad.
I don't
What
know.
does maintenance have to do back here? And it's people like him that are stopping this stuff from going on. And I get what he is. It's not hard to tell. For somebody to come up to me and get ready to fight me and I've never seen you a day in my life, it's weird, dog. It's weird energy.
Yeah.
It's a demon. How many people do you think I met in my life? Been in the military for 6 years. I've gone to culinary school for 4 years. Come on, man.
What'd you do in the military?
Like I said, I can't just put brisket on a grill in my cell. I actually have to put in work. I don't even know what maintenance he has to do today if he outside chopping it up for 20 minutes right now. You know what I'm saying? Is he on the clock or not?
I have no idea.
What's going on? Because I actually have to make a living out here. I don't have a job. This is my job.
Since Jacob had confirmed his name as Jacob Benjamin, officers struggled to verify his information. His license did not show up in the system, but a warrant did. Suspecting that Jacob had given a false name, the officers decided to detain him. As more officers arrived on the scene, Jacob began lacing up his shoes, which the officers recognized as a sign he might try to run.
He's got a knife on this pod. So I get your taser out? Yeah. Yeah.
Side of it? Holy shit.
What's that, sir? No,
I'll act like I'm selling meth out of the mother, yo. Like I said, I got more culinary equipment in here than probably this orthopedic's got in their shit. You know what I'm saying? So to try to knock me or make me seem like I'm doing some illegal activity is crazy. Y'all got surgical gloves on.
do I grab this knife? Put the knife there. Sir, do you mind putting your knife on the...
For what?
Put your hands behind your back.
Dude.
Put your hands behind your back.
This time you're getting... I'm not getting it. Taser!
Stop, you're gonna get tased.
After a full minute of chasing Jacob, officers finally managed to stop him.
Stop! Stay right there. Just stay right there. We don't gotta tase you.
Stop!
I'm asking you.
Why? I'm not gonna run. Stop!
Get down on your face. Get down on your face.
Why?
Get down on your face. Get down on your face.
Why?
Brother.
Get on the ground.
Why, man?
Get on
What
the
did
ground.
I do?
You're gonna get tased.
Get down on the ground.
What did I do?
Get down on the
Get
ground.
on the ground.
Man,
Do it
Get
now.
down on the ground.
stop!
I'm letting you know if you don't, you're gonna get tased.
Stop! On the ground. Stop! Oh my gosh! Oh my god! Oh, see! Okay.
On the ground.
Okay,
Get on the ground.
on your knees. Are you getting spread? How nervous do you am?
No, we're not nervous enough.
How nervous?
Date of birth 04.
29, 1991.
Okay. I'll be right back.
Put in Allen as well. Put in Allen as
Jacob
well.
Allen?
Jacob Benjamin Allen.
So is your last name Benjamin or Allen?
It's Allen.
Put it in stone. She locked it and then put it in stone. So it didn't break.
Now he's saying it's Jacob Benjamin Allen.
So, Jacob, we got good news and bad news. What do you want to hear first?
Either or, I deal with violence, so I don't care.
All right. The good news is you don't have any warrants. You're right.
Don't.
The bad news is now you've assaulted an officer and you got felony obstruction.